Dear students and learners, welcome to ANJUMAN'S English Grammar. In this video, you will learn about gerund. Okay, first of all, what is the definition of gerund? Normally, what I have seen in English language, the ing form of verb is called as gerund. But this is not a complete definition. The proper definition of gerund is the ing form of verb, that is called present participle form of verb, which is used as a noun in a sentence, is called as a gerund. Got it? So let me write ing form of verb used as a noun in a sentence is called as gerund. Fine. Now, in my previous video, I have already explained noun. What do you mean by noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, or thing. But in sentence, whenever a subject is used, then verb and object, this subject is always a noun or an object is a noun. Got it? सेंटेंस के स्ट्रक्चर में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट नाउन होता है. सब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज नाउन. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू. Subject is always a noun. Object can be a noun, can be an adjective or an adverbial phrase. So let's start. How to use gerund? I have already told you, using something means removing something. If we are using gerund, we have to remove something, and that is infinitive to. If there is an infinitive to verb in the sentence, then it is removed. Okay, let's start the sentence. It is always dangerous to play with fire. These type of sentences mostly comes in state board 10th or 12th, on CBSE also. So using gerund means removing infinitive to. Very simple answer. It is always dangerous. Now, playing. See, what happens? To is replaced by ing. This first form of verb gets ing and it becomes gerund with fire. Again, what is the condition of becoming a gerund? See, this is a subject, verb, and this is object. So, whenever ing verb used as an object or a subject in a sentence, it becomes a gerund. This is a one kind of verb, but used as a gerund here. Why? Because it is used as an object. अगर ये वर्ब होता तो इसके पहले हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाते, कोई ना कोई. इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, शैल बी, विल बी. ये कुछ भी नहीं है. इट नाउ इट बिकम्स अ gerund. Dear student, but I don't agree with this type of answer. Sorry. ठीक है? I want to teach you something different. Now, let me start from here. Subject. A subject is always a noun in a sentence. The definition of gerund, ing form of verb used as a noun. And subject is always a noun. Object can be changed. Object can be a noun or an adverb or an adverbial phrase. But subject is always a noun. So, don't make these type of sentences. Then how to make? Okay, look here. It is always dangerous to play with fire. Separate the infinitive form of verb. Okay? Separate the infinitive form of verb. And bring this infinitive form of verb with ing here. Playing. Got it? I have replaced infinitive to with ing. Playing. Now the preposition part with fire. Now use the verb or a helping verb in the sentence is. Now this becomes a subject. Always use this type of method. Playing with fire is. Now remaining words. Always dangerous. Got it? Use. This is the correct and a perfect way of using gerund. Got it? Playing with fire is always dangerous. Now this is a verb and this is an object. Now another sentence. Again, using gerund or removing infinitive to. In this sentence, you will find two infinitive form. How to use? Both must be replaced by ing. Okay, now see. Begging is surrendering. Got it? So if there are more than one infinitive form of verb in the sentence, it must be replaced by ing form. Don't use a single in the subject or the object. Fine? So this is gerund. Hope you enjoy the window. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you very much.